3-4, we're going to graph the equation of a horizontal and vertical line. Number 5, you're going to sketch the graph of each equation. So let's look at A here. It says x is equal to -1. Where is x equals to -1? Well, we know that this is an x value, so this has to be on the x-axis. So we want to look at the x-axis here. Where do you see -1? Well, it's right here, okay? So at that location, all we have to do now is draw a line, okay? We can't draw it this way because you see how that touches all those values, okay? It would have to just be a vertical line here, okay? Because all these are where x is equal to -1. So there you go. It is a vertical line here, okay? Let's look at y equals to 5. What is that? Well, it says y, so that's going to be on the y-axis, okay? And here's the y-axis. Where do you see the number 5? Well, it's right here, okay? So now we can just draw that line. This is a line that passes through that point, okay? And this is going to be a horizontal line, okay? Because that is the location where y equals to 5. Let's look at this, okay? This says y, so this is going to be on the y-axis. So let's look at the y-axis. Where do you see -4? It's right here. Now we want to draw a line that connects that point. So this is the line, okay, for y equals to -4. This is going to be a horizontal line, okay? Mind my spelling. Next, this is a x. This is going to be on the x-axis, and it is right here. This is where x is equal to 4, would be right there. And now we all have to do is draw a line, okay? And that is where the line is equal to x is equal to 4. This is going to be a vertical line. All right, so there you go. That is how you do number 5 when you want to sketch a horizontal or vertical line.